This is my freeze ray. I unlocked it from the mystery box. It's right there. Okay, so the mystery box right there. Give me the freeze ray. Wait. On zombies, but I'm not scared anymore because I locked all the zombies in the closet. So watch what this bad boy can do. Wait. Oh crap! See, heard that? It's good. This way can do anything. Gives you magical powers. This is a secret. Don't tell anyone, but I like it a lot. I like the freeze ray. The freeze ray. The freeze ray. It's so awesome. Watch. Shoot it. Let me go get max ammo from it, okay? Max ammo! No, stop. You want me to freeze you? Why are you laughing, huh? Okay. I'm better than you. Did you see that? It split in half again. That's scary. Nasty stuff. This way, see how it has six bullets. 1, 2, 3 times 2, 6. Yeah. Just kidding, I didn't get this from the mystery box on Black Ops. Got it from, what's that game called? That game, where you get those, where you get that sword and you're supposed to scratch those fruits, and then when you scratch a bomb, you lose. Oh yeah, Fruit Ninja. Fruit Ninja. That's the name. Yeah. I got it from that. Watch this. Hey, I'm gonna get fruit. Hey, the end, I'll freeze you to death. Say, the end, I'll freeze you to death. It ain't any shoot. Okay. Because this fruit, because it has a lemon. Watch. Psh, psh. I'll freeze you to death.